The YouTube video that is titled Why Your New Year Resolutions Will Fail and How Not To, which was produced by the YouTube channel Ruri Ohama, is 17 minutes and 4 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. Ruri starts by discussing the difference between intrinsic motivation, which is driven by internal factors, and extrinsic motivation, which is influenced by external factors. She stresses the importance of understanding the reasons behind your goals and shifting towards intrinsic motivation for long-term sustainability. Next, she talks about breaking down goals into smaller, measurable, and achievable steps. It introduces the concept of micro-commitments, which are small actions that contribute to reaching the larger goal. An example given is wearing workout clothes every day to make exercising a habit. She then underscores the necessity of having evidence of progress in achieving goals. She suggests that many people fail because they don't take this crucial step. Ruri then recommends setting input-based goals, which are actions that can be controlled, rather than output-based goals, which depend on results that may not be directly controllable. She then moves on to the benefits of using platforms like Shopify for starting and growing an online business, and emphasizes the importance of having the right tools and support. Ruri then suggests using time tracking apps like Timelines to become more aware of how time is spent. She emphasizes the importance of being intentional with time usage and identifying areas for improvement. Also, regular reflection on goals and progress is advised. She suggests evaluating how time is allocated and whether it aligns with one's goals. Ruri then encourages identifying and changing bad habits that hinder progress, things such as excessive social media use. Then it's on to creating systems that help maintain focus and prevent distractions. She recommends practical steps like charging phones in a different room and using specific apps to block distractions. Then she gets on to viewing failures as opportunities for growth and learning. She suggests joining communities focused on self-improvement, like the Kaizen community, for support and resources. Please remember that much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details, but if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Firstly, seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic how to make money fast videos that just recycle the obvious suspects. Also, feel free to tell me the YouTube gurus that you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility and attract more ad revenue. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.